and not have some fun. We are at Pepperhill Farm Day Camp. I don't know that you and I are prepared, David, to jump in the water, but these kiddos are, aren't they?
Absolutely, yeah. This is one of their favorite things to do here.
Okay, so this is called the Rave, and we've got some of Sam's group and Megan's group with us, the Squirts, right?
Yep.
And they're acting like little squirts.
Oh, always.
Tell us about the Rave. What all's involved with this?
Oh, well, this is a water trampoline that we bring out here in the pond, and we have something that we call the blob. We have a bigger one over there for the older kids, and we didn't want to leave the younger kids out, so we got a smaller one here for them.
So they blob into the water with the life jacket, of course, and this is the rolling log?
Yeah, they try and scoot across that without falling off, and
I can tell you from experience, it can't be done. It can't be done. You just might as well get in the water.
Even as an adult, it's nearly impossible.
And the fun with the blob, that was always one of my favorite activities over there at camp.
Yes, the blob is the most popular out of pretty much everything at camp.
So how it works is one kiddo is at the end of the blob, the other jumps from the tower up there with the counselor.
Yep, sends them flying into the water. So we normally try and get someone bigger than the person on the blob to jump off and send them in. It's just a blast. The
kiddos love it. Other activities you have here at camp, I see archery.
Yes, we have archery. We have a ropes course that we do. Horseback, which is very popular as well. They go canoeing out here in the pond. They have games.
Arts and crafts, nature crafts. I knew a few things about this place. The other thing that I think is super cool, the majority of the counselors now have grown up here at camp. You've got Sam up there, started when he was 4, Kevin when he was 7.
Yeah, 7.
You've got Jake that's here, counselor, Megan born and raised here at Pepperhill. So folks can clearly, the tradition continues. You're going to send your kids someday, David?
Oh, definitely. There's no doubt about that.
All right, you can be a part of the fun Pepperhill Farm Day Camp. So come on, guys, let's get to jumping. Located in Jessamine County. I'm Deanne Stevens. Out and about. It's Pepperhill Kids, KIDZ.com, by the way. Back to you guys.